The 3-in-a-row cruiser, bagger, and full-dress tourer are identical options to add a third wheel in Harley-Davidson's 2024 tricycle range. In fact, the latter is the Tri Glide Ultra, with its distinctive fork-mounted batwing fairing, boom, box GTS multimedia system, rider assistance, plus a top box that expands baggage space to 6.8 cu. Fort. The Tri Glide really is a three-wheeled Ultra Limited, much like its tricycle cousins. The Milwaukee 8114 that powers the Tri Glide is the twin-cooled model, with a liquid-cooled head. The twin-cooled M8114 produces a claimed 93 horsepower at 5,020 revolutions per minute and 120 lb-ft of torque at 2,500 revolutions per minute, a bit more power and torque than the oil-cooled version. The Tri Glide Ultra is a tried-and-true package offering the utmost comfort for both riders and passengers on lengthy travels. Want the ultimate in comfort on a highway? This 2024 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra is your only choice to have. With the billing of a perfect trike, the Tri Glide Ultra brings together the front and batwing fairings of a touring motorcycle with the stability and comfort of two rear wheels, along with a potent big twin engine, masses of baggage capacity, and class-leading electronics. The 2024 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra features a 6-speed cruise drive gearbox and phenomenal torque out of the twin-cooled TM Milwaukee 8114 engine, making highway riding a dream. Hitting just 2,500 RPM and 120 pound-feet of torque, you may twist the throttle to accelerate promptly. Travel scenic roads without stopping for petrol with the 6-gallon gasoline tank. The 2-1-2 twin pipes on the Tri Glide Ultra give a range of the exhaust tones. The 2024 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra comes fitted with a premium-class multimedia that is supposed to keep you entertained and connected whenever you are on the road. On its 6.5-inch touchscreen, the Boom TM Box GTS infotainment system provides 4-speaker navigation together with Bluetooth smartphone connectivity and GPS. One row of your voltage, tachometer, fuel gauge, and speedometer sit above touchscreens. The 2024 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra Basic LED headlamp and LED fog lights contribute to 2,136 total lumens output from the low beam and fog lights to help you see and be seen. Proportionate to its size, the tricycle has 2 front brakes. You get Reflex TM connected brakes with anti-lock braking system for more confidence on your stops. The 2024 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra has a comfortable ride. With its 3-wheel design, it gives the best stability possible, while the backrest on the rear passenger seat allows your passenger to lean back and relax. Having floorboards and riding in an upright, natural position helps make long rides more comfortable. A center-mounted pressure balancer combined with a fork-mounted batwing fairing makes controlling airflow around your head easier and reduces wind buffeting on long highway rides. Moving right along, the Tri Glide Ultra tips the scales at 1,237 pounds and stretches longer than 105 inches overall. Ample storage between the rear wheels fills the area. A 4.4 cubic foot trunk and a King Tour POC baggage carrier with 2.4 cubic feet of packing capacity behind the passenger seatback. Pricing and colors: the 2024 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra in Billiard Grey will have an MSRP starting at $37,999. Other colors available as an option are Vivid Black, Blue Burst, Red Rock with Vivid Black, Alpine Green with Vivid Black two-tone, available for an extra cost.